Yeah.
Yeah,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great and fantastic. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good as well. Just, working on my to-do list and attending
Yeah.
sessions. So, yeah, it's going pretty well and productive as well.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So, should we start a conversation with our introduction?
Yeah, sure. So, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay.
So, as you can see, my name is Mamta, and basically, I belong to the capital city of Rajasthan, which is Jaipur city. And
Okay.
I have completed my graduation from Gujarat. I grew up there, and currently, I'm running a YouTube channel named Mamta Inspires, where I share English learning content. And apart from this, I'm preparing for cabin crew interviews as well. And about these days, so these days I'm just working on my communication skills, English fluency. You can say I'm working on my soft skills. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to dance. I'm fond of reading books. I love to explore new things. That's all about me.
Wow, fantastic, Miss Mamta. I mean, a lot of things about you. I mean, as your hobbies, and also you're preparing for cabin crew examination, and you're working on your soft skills. So that's really great, actually. Okay, so let me introduce myself, right?
Yeah, sure. I'm eager to listen.
All right. Pleasure always mine. So, as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. At present, I'm living in my hometown. And when it comes to my education, so I'm in my master's second year of MBA with the specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. And I connect with co-learners, good speakers. That's all I can say. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like to read books, and dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Wow, wonderful. So, are you taking spoken English classes as well?
Yeah, I'm taking one-on-one spoken classes as well. I forgot to share about that. Yeah, because yeah, nowadays I'm in regular learners, and I mean, usually in the evening I take classes, 6 to 12 in between, and if there's new learner, so I try to connect in the day. So that's how.
Okay, so are you going college regularly
No, not on
as
a
you are
regular
doing?
basis because my schedule, doesn't allow me to go on a daily basis. And I believe that, of course, college studies we can manage right at home. When there is urgent work like assignment, presentation, or some other work, so I prefer to go. Other than that, I'm like busy with my work, and I enjoy as well.
Okay, amazing, amazing.
Okay. So, as we are here for the session, would you mind sharing your English journey a little? Like how long you have been learning?
Yeah, so if I start sharing about my English learning journey, so back in 2020, when lockdown and COVID came into our life, so that time I passed out my 12th, and that like after completing our schooling, so we become little mature. So
Yeah.
I thought like now my dream is to become a cabin crew. Now, in order to become a cabin crew, I must have English fluency. That's when I thought now this is the time to work on my fluency. So that time, like after COVID, I was just doing listening English, reading English, writing English, but I was not consistent with my English speaking.
Mhm.
So you can say in 2024, I started speaking English as I don't have English environment. So I started using online platforms to do my English speaking practice.
Okay.
That's how it is going right now.
Okay. And what about your daily to do at present? I mean, are you conducting session on a daily basis to work upon this language?
Yes, absolutely. Like in this year, I have started in January month. I was not aware of Skype application. I don't know how many people are making videos, conversational videos on YouTube, but I was not aware about this. But recently, I came to know about this, so I thought let's start this. So yeah, I'm regularly having conversations with my subscribers or with I invite people as well. to have a
Mm.
conversation.
That's fabulous,
Hmm.
Miss Mamta, because that is the only thing that will help you to master your goal, and especially to become eminent speaker, as your field, as you have, decided to join uh, cabin crew, that position. So you have to master it. That is the only thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. I forgot to mention one thing. I want you to observe my mistakes, that whatever the grammar mistakes I'm making in this conversation, please observe those mistakes and my facial expressions, my body language, and end of the conversation. Could you please give me feedback that where I need improvement?
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Of course, definitely. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, because body language and facial expressions are really important for me.
Indeed. Indeed. I mean, the way you present yourself, you should be approachable, you should be confident, and it's okay to, like your pace should be as low as possible, because that's how, it's easy for me to observe. And other than that, I mean, you seems very confident, I must say. As you join the session, I get the energy. Okay, now it's like it's time to, you know, to speak up.
It means a lot. Like we feel like we are not able to do this, but when some other people appreciate it, so it gives energy to me.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as you joined the session, and I was like, seriously, because I was writing a script, okay, about my next video. It is related to shorts and all. So nowadays, I'm working on that as well. So I was just writing, just a little bit brainstorming, and I was thinking about like what can be the idea for another video. And suddenly, I thought it's 2:55, so I have session with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, tell me some of the like self ed. You have identified some of the problems of your while speaking, especially in this language, or you are just going with the flow. How you observe and how you track your progress.
You know what? Like, when I started learning this language, so I didn't know that how to read properly. I just did. I have given exams in 12th or 10th just to pass exam those, just to pass those exams. Like in every exam we have a 10 marks of essay writing, 10 marks of story writing. So I used to prepare for those only so that I can just clear exams. Otherwise, I was very poor at English. Uh, so yeah, as I said, reading is really important, but reading was really difficult for me. um, I used to not like reading, but I started reading from children's books. Like
Mm-hmm,
I
that's
have one younger sister. I started reading her books, but now I'm really fond of reading books. I cannot stay without reading. Every day I read. You can say I start my day from reading books only. So yeah, reading is important, and listening. I started listening as well. But you know what? I observed that um, just in a few months back, I observed that I am lacking in confidence, eye contact. I have to make eye contact. I can say that I'm pretty much comfortable on audio calls. Whenever I have audio calls with anybody, that people say that you can give spoken classes to them. That those people say that you are very confident, but I say that yes, I'm comfortable on audio calls only. But when it comes to video calls, so sometimes I fumble and I just I have many things in my mind, but when it
yeah.
when it comes to share, so yeah, we fumble and these things happens. But I know that what is the solution of those things? Consistency and practice is everything. I have to do it whether I want to do it or not. My mind is saying that no, just I hang up the call, but I want to do it. I really want to improve. So
Hmm.
you have to face your fear.
Exactly.
Mhm.
And the one thing that is really, I mean, fascinating about you, what I just observed, that you're very passionate about, like what you exactly get to the table. And you know that what are the things you have to do, and you know the solution as well. But the thing is that practice is the only thing that will help you. So, really appreciate your
We
efforts.
all know we all know that what are the solutions of our problems. Everybody know, like I'm also a YouTuber, so every day I'm getting so many comments that ma'am, how can I speak with someone? So I say that dear, you are living a dynamic world. You have every resources to do anything. Do not complain that I don't have this environment, so I'm not able to learn this language or speak this language. We all have solution. We are just becoming crazy and mad about those things and making
Yeah.
excuses.
Yeah, yeah. Excuses, and this is a time of, I can say, social media. Like like people are distracted, especially the youth. But we have
Mhm.
time for everything. If we make it, if we want something really bad, we can work for it and we can achieve it. There's no problem with that. We have to manage time. Then that's the only solution for it. What do you think?
Mhm. Yes, yes, I'm agree with you this thing. I want to know one thing about you. I really liked your confidence. Your body language, your eye contact is really great. So can you
Okay.
please give me some tips and techniques to just improve my confidence as well and how you worked on your confidence?
Well, I have been doing sessions for quite a while now, almost a 2.5 year, and I started my learning journey back in almost 4 years. Okay, and teaching journey started after 2 year. I mean, you can say it's been almost 2 years I'm teaching one on one. I have my regular learners. So, what I can say that the only thing I every day I come on camera, in front of people online. So it's like my work. So now I'm habitual of facing camera and talking with people. Earlier, I used to face the hesitation. I used to fumble. I couldn't, see the camera, or because we have to maintain eye contact as well, online virtual
Yeah.
meetings as well. Otherwise, you feel like nobody is interested to have a conversation with you. So confidence will, develop over time. So that's the only thing I can say for this. And
Yes, yes.
like don't try to speak so fast. Don't try to convey your message, like, okay, I have to finish it. Take your time. Speak like whatever context you have in that regard. Don't try to finish it like fast. Okay, I have to convey, and don't be always ready with your questions. Try to listen as well. Your listening skills
Mhm.
also matter. If you're not listening to your opponent, or let's suppose the person with whom you're having a session with, if you're not listening, this conversation will end up really like very early, I can say. But when we are interested to know about other people, let's suppose you are here with me in this session, and I should be curious about, okay, knowing your journey, what are the things you're like passionate about, what is your career goal, everything, so that you can feel comfortable. Okay, here is the platform I can share like this. So you will also come up with
Mhm.
lot of questions and like your point of views. So that's when, I mean, two three things what I really work upon throughout the like time, I can say.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Absolutely right. You have to listen other person to build a strong relation with that person.
Yeah,
You
in
have to
meeting.
listen a lot.
Exactly. And this
Mhm.
is like, of course, we are meeting for the very first time. I mean, we never met before, right? And here, if I'm not like interested in listening to you, you will not enjoy the conversation anyway. You will be like, this is something I don't like it. And anyway, but when I'm like curious, okay, please tell me about that. What's your English journey? What are the problems you're facing? What is something that you want to do in future? Why you want to do this? So now you have like, oh God, she's interested. Now it's time to answer like that. So you will be engaged
Yes,
in
yes,
that conversation.
Mhm. Absolutely. I
Yeah.
have taken one webinar that webinar just all about communication skills and
Okay.
where I learned just so many things about this thing. Actually, I have to say this that I'm very good listener. I listen
Okay.
a lot people. I do not think that I do not have to listen and I have to just express myself. I'm not one of them. So in that webinar, I learned that yes, first you have to listen other person, listen that person to understand, not to ask questions,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Indeed. I mean, that's the point what I
Yeah.
was trying to make. Indeed. So, what kind of like do you attend these communication webinars and all? Like, where you actually attend in your academy, any coaching center? Where?
No, no. Actually, I'm attending these kind of webinars only online.
Online. Okay. So, would you like to mention like name of that platform?
See, there are many. pages available on the Instagram. So especially about my field. So there is a Fash Guru consultancy page on Instagram. She teaches about this my field, about aviation field only. So
Okay.
I take most of the time I take webinars on that page only.
Okay.
She
So
teaches.
now I'm intrigued to know about your cabin crew like goal. Why this particular goal? Why not other things? Why only cabin crew?
See, it's not about money only because I can earn money through other fields as well. As I
Yeah.
have completed BCA, so I can go for an in IT field as well. So
Hmm.
absolutely, cabin crew job is not just about money or not about a travel. As I really like to interact with people, exploring new culture. When I'm using other platforms as well, like CV, Speakify. When I connect with those people, so I feel a connection. I'm really eager to know about others' culture as well, exploring new things. And you know what? When you travel, you explore things, so you gain confidence.
Yeah.
That's because what I understand, when you travel, you grow, you learn, you gain
Hmm.
knowledge. That's what I want in my life. I want to grow. I don't
Yeah.
want 9 to 5 job. I want to do something different in my life that haven't done anyone in my life.
Wow.
That's
I mean,
why I want. That's why I want.
completely I mean, you have like, of course, you know your potential, right? And I read somewhere that if you have the potential to be the best in your bloodline, why not go for it?
Yes, absolutely. Like
Okay.
there is no one who is a cabin crew in my entire khandan, entire family.
That's
So
great.
I want to.
Yeah, yeah, that's what actually. Yeah. So of course, I mean, really all the very best for this journey and just make it, make it happen that as you decided you're working on it. So now no chance to give up and you will make it anyway because you seems very confident and you're very approachable. Your communication skills is of course really good and there is always a room for improvement, I believe. Nobody is perfect but still
Yes,
that what is required you have already the confidence level. I don't think so that you are not lacking with the especially you're lacking with the confidence. I don't observe till now.
okay.
Yeah.
It means a lot.
Okay. So yeah, tell me some of the like resources which you follow when it comes to reading.
See, I'm not fond of reading books in a PDF, on PDF or in PDF,
In
in
PDF or
PDFs.
yeah, online offline, so you are like you prefer hard copy, I guess.
Yes, I prefer hard copies all the time, not soft copies. But I when I started, so I started from PDFs only. But I felt like no, this is not my cup of tea. I already have a specs, so I can't
Seriously.
do
Yeah.
this to harm myself. Then I started buying books. So yeah, as you asked the question that I'm going out of the track.
Yeah, yeah,
The
no
question
issue.
was that which I prefer. So I only prefer books. So in books, if I talk about my like 2 years, like a few years ago, my genre was to just non-fiction books. I
Okay.
used to read non-fiction books. I have read over 30 books on non-fiction, self-development books. So yeah, but recently I have started reading fiction books, and I'm feeling like fiction books are really important to build our communication skills, to just make our communication skills stronger and stronger. So yeah, fiction books are really important, but I feel like but 2 years, like I'm reading non-fiction books. It
Hmm.
has been around 2 years. But I started reading non-fiction just to improve myself. Because I was very negative person and introvert person. I had very negative mindset towards my life. So yeah,
Okay.
self-help books helped me a lot to just see a positive in everything.
Okay. So completely you changed your mindset. I mean, earlier you were quite pessimistic and now you became optimistic. Is it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yes,
Okay.
yes, it is. It's the truth.
Of course.
Books
Because
have helped me a lot to transform my mindset, negative to positive mindset.
Okay, so is there any backend, I mean, any support, any like person who motivates you for the goal you have decided, or you are the only person who is responsible for whatever you're doing?
See, my family, but most like my mama. My mama is very supportive. She understands that whatever I'm doing, that is the correct thing only.
Okay,
Only
this much belief.
if
That's very good.
yes, she is just blind. She have blind belief in me that whatever I'm doing, that is the correct thing, and Mamta cannot do anything wrong. She is really blind on in the trust in me. So yeah,
Okay.
I just want to fulfill all the dreams that I have, that my parents have for me. So
Hmm.
yeah, my mama is very supportive. Otherwise, apart from my family, there is no one. People are blessed with good friends, but I'm not. I don't have any good friends.
Mm-hmm.
I have tried a lot to just have a good friendship with, but you can say I'm very unlucky person in friendship.
Oh, don't think like that. It's like full of world, like complete world we have, right? You know, there are many people out there, but of course, it's really hard to find the right one because usually, you know, I mean, I believe that friendship will only work when when you resonate with. I can say, let's suppose if you are doing the same thing what I'm doing. Let's suppose we are working as a work. So when you have, you know, your that that we say colleagues, right? But if you find buddy in the work you do, that's when actually, you know, friendship will grow. You grow together, you learn together, you have you face problem, then you can share it. Otherwise, you know, of course, nobody cares actually that much like what you do.
See, I know I have responsibilities on my shoulders, but my friends they do not have any responsibilities on their shoulders. So when I do my work, so they try to just drag me from there. That's why I understood that these are not my true friends, because they are just stopping me instead of supporting me. They are just pulling my leg that what is this thing, what you are doing, that will not work out. So yeah, I just broke up with all of them
Yeah, I mean,
because I
despite
want to grow.
yeah, despite that, friendship is really important, and there should be a friend, but real friends, not the fake ones, because you know, full of people are like completely. They try to pretend somebody else, and they have some different, you know, like thought process. But if we are not observing them, first of all, don't hang around with, you know, negative people. Not at all, because if you have one or two people, that's your mama is your backbone, right? That's enough, because it's completely, and mom is always like very supportive. I mean, there is no doubt about it. Even my like
Yeah,
mama, she is also like always, I can say blind, of course I can use this word here as well, like completely trust, you know, she trusts on me so much. And because she
yeah,
sees every day, you know, like I work, I help her in the morning, in the evening, and then I do my work.
mhm,
So
yeah.
without any, like, you know, procrastination, I do procrastinate some point of time, but after a moment or after a while, I feel regret that I'm not allowed to waste my time. How can I waste my time?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this
Same happens with me. Mhm.
so that should be the
Yeah,
right thing. Yeah. If I don't do work, I feel headache. I feel so many things actually. But if I'm working,
yeah. I feel, oh my God. Yeah.
yeah,
I feel like, oh my God, my parents have so many expectations to me, and this is how I'm wasting my time. The guilt is so worse. Even I cannot sleep with this guilt. That's why I every day I make a schedule that I have to do these things anyhow. And yes, I help my mama as well, and I do my work. And yes, one day we both will reach our goals. By the way,
exactly.
what are your goals in future? Right now, you are already working professional.
Well, I have, like, of course, I'm working on my YouTube channel. Plus, I'm a student. I'm in my second year of MBA, and this is the last sem. I mean, after that, I will be done with my studies, especially with masters. Then I will think of something else. Plus, I'm planning to do job as well. And at present, my classes are going on. Actually, there's a lot in my plate at present, but I just have to prioritize my stuff. right? Because two, three things I can do. I know my capacity that okay, these two, three things will work for me, and that's enough. I don't want to be stick with one thing always, like because it get bored. We feel like what am I doing? There's no growth. And I'm like a person, if I'm interested in something, I just do my homework about that and I just want to do it, at least a try. What if it will work out like that?
Mm,
So that's how.
amazing.
Okay.
Now,
So please go ahead.
no, I'm just saying now maybe you have any work to do, or we can just continue this conversation
Well, yeah, I mean, if there are any question you have for me,
already.
let's do a rapid fire. I was thinking because quite a while now, let's do some, fun questions fast, okay? Actually, I have for this, I have been thinking to do this with any cool and a new, okay? So let
Okay.
me ask some of the question. Are you ready?
But which kind of questions are you going
It's
to
like
ask?
a rapid fire, like your choices to know a little more about yourself, okay? Uh,
Okay, okay. I'm ready. Excited.
Yeah, there should be fun fact, right? Okay. So tea or coffee? Which one you prefer?
Nothing. Both
Nothing.
of not.
My question is wrong. Books and movies. Which one? Like books or
All
movies?
absolutely books.
Books.
Absolutely books.
British accent or American accent?
British texture.
Okay. If you could master any English accent, which one would you choose?
Absolutely British texture.
Morning person, night owl?
Morning person.
Would you mind sharing any English tongue twister here? Tongue twister, whichever you know. Which like anyone you can
Actually,
recall at the moment. Tongue twister.
actually, to be honest, I don't practice such things. That's why I don't remember.
Okay, no
So,
problem. Let me share anyone.
mhm.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. It's tongue twister, right?
Oh wow.
It's just like to,
Okay.
if sometimes learners face problem with the pronunciation, especially any word or like that. So that's when the role of tongue twister comes. Okay. So yeah,
Okay.
that's all. You did really great job, Miss Mamta.
Okay. These are very common and sweet questions. I can answer anytime.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know about myself. That's why.
Yeah,
Mhm.
exactly. There are many questions actually, but I thought like simple questions will be fine, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so
absolutely.
thank you very much for joining. It was really nice session. And at last, I just want to say that, of course, you seems very confident throughout the session. And also you have the right mindset. You're very clear about your career. So just, like go with this flow only. Don't let anything, disturb you or distract you because you have the potential. What I feel from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, all the very best.
Okay, thank you so much. And what about my grammar mistakes?
When it comes to grammar, I can say some only two three mistakes what I have noticed, prepositions, and one is when you were talking about the past simple. Other than that, I was
Mhm.
really passionate about listening to you, because it's this conversation was very engaging. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I also didn't realize that when this 30 minutes passed, I really enjoyed it. Actually, one last question I have for you. I forgot to ask this. Like, I have seen you are using very idioms as well. So, where are you learning those idioms? And those are very simple to understand.
Hmm.
So,
Idioms are generally, I mean, that add value to your speech because, of
hmm,
course, and if you speak with native speakers, they are going to use this idioms in front of you. So instead of saying
hmm,
simple things, they will use idiom. on the spot about anything, or this is something we learn over time. Just pick up one or two idioms, and when you have conversation or meetings with co-learners, try to use them. Let's suppose be born with a silver spoon in the mouth. It means it is, आप उसको translate नहीं कर सकते हो. You are not allowed to translate. Idioms are just simple
Yes,
move
absolutely.
separate, right? So आपको, you have to use it as it is in that context. So try to learn and implement, learn and implement, and automatically you will have a lot of idioms after a month.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, I will work on it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, till then, happy learning. Bye
Bye.
bye. Take care.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was really fruitful conversation.
Yeah, same here. Bye bye.